Today I'm going to show you how to make this double exposure effect using Canva. After opening new Canva project, change the background color to black and go to uploads, and after uploading your image, drag it to the design, increase the size and remove the background and go to edit and click BG remover and click restore and restore, increase the brush size and restore all the parts in the right side. Go back and go to tune sherry and make white color, and you can adjust the position as you want. Go to text and you can type your text as well. Let's change the font to Anton and let's change the color to white color. Download and upload this image again. Drag it to uploads, add new page and click the second image and place it in the design. Click in the image that we make, click remove background, go to edit, page remover, restore, and you can restore the parts that you want and increase the size to fit the page. Go to tune again, sherry, and change the color to any color you want. We are going to use just the white color and drag the first image, increase the size to fit exactly the frame and click remove background and place it exactly with this cut and duplicate. Keep one copy just here, click in this one, go to apps and type image blender and choose this app. Make sure you select this image and click blend selected image. Change the points like this and decrease the straight to 0 and click save. Drag the second image, place it exactly as the first one and click again blend selected image, and let's make the points in this corner. Decrease the straight to 0 again, save, and here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.